Microsoft, one of the most powerful brands in the software world, came with Windows 95 version exactly 21 years ago. In the past time, Microsoft, Windows 98, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 it has released versions 1 and 10 of Windows. Windows history from yesterday to today. Windows 7 Ultimate is the most powerful edition of Windows yet. This is the development of Windows from yesterday to today, and the important innovations made up to Windows 10. Windows 1.0 Windows 1.0, Microsoft's first stable version of Windows, has not been very successful on the sales side. The first Windows is Windows 1.0, which we cannot talk about much about new features. MS-DOS is developed on a 16-bit operating system. This is the first time that basic Windows software such as Notepad, Paint, Writer has appeared along with Windows 1.0. Windows 2.0. Windows XP Professional x64 Edition is the most comprehensive edition of Windows Vista and Windows XP Professional x64 Edition, and is available on a new fast direct download service with over 2,210,000 files to choose from. For the first time, Word and Excel members of the Office family have been introduced with Windows 2.0, but because of the similarity of Mac OS X, Microsoft and HP have been plagued by Apple lawsuits. Windows 3.0. For the first time, games such as Windows 3.0, Solitaire and Minesweeper came out of the operating system. Windows 7 Ultimate is the most comprehensive edition of Windows yet. Windows 95 Windows 95 is the first 32-bit version of Windows that uses the 95 name because it was introduced in 1995. The Start menu and the Windows 95 operating system that Internet Explorer is running, and the taskbar are also available. Windows 98 Windows 98, formerly known as Windows 95, has developed Internet services, fast start and fast connection with external devices. Windows 98, the output point of Outlook software, has made it possible to watch TV with Microsoft Web TV software. Windows ME. Windows Millennium Edition, the so-called version of Windows released in 2000 and announced for the last time, has been renamed from the Millennium period. Windows ME has hosted Windows Live Movie Maker and Windows Media Player, which fixes all problems in Windows 98. In addition, System Restore was introduced with Windows ME. Windows XP. Windows XP, developed by Microsoft for personal computers as well as servers, can be shown as one of the best operating systems of Microsoft. Windows XP, which has been largely blocked by piracy, has achieved very good sales. ClearType, remote access, user accounts, and Internet Explorer 6 software are included with Windows XP. Windows Vista Windows Vista Ultimate is the most comprehensive edition of Windows Vista. Windows Vista Ultimate is the first edition of Windows that combines all the features and functionality of Windows Vista Home Premium, including the ability to run multiple operating systems at the same time, the ability to run multiple operating systems at the same time, and the ability to run multiple operating systems at the same time. Windows 7. Windows 7 Ultimate is the most comprehensive edition of Windows yet. In fact, the 7th basic version of Windows because of the name of Windows 7 operating system, developed with the taskbar and interface features have come to the forefront. Windows 8. Windows 8, which is trying to attract attention with the Metro interface after Windows 7, tries to open its doors to a new structure with the Application Store, but the user's appreciation has not been gained. In fact, the Start menu has caused users not to prefer Windows 8 specifically. Windows 8.1. Windows 7 is the most popular operating system in the world. Windows 10. The latest version of Windows 10, the Start menu to come back and merge with Metro interface, Cortana, Microsoft Edge has come with many new features and research has taken full points from users. With the Windows 10 anniversary update, many errors in the system as well as new features were introduced to users.